Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and our today's topic is example of area related to circle. In the last video, we learned about radius, diameter, equilateral triangles formula, area of minor sector, area of major sector, segments. We studied all the formulas related to that in the earlier video. Now we are starting with area related to circles with example. Let's have some deep insight knowledge regarding to this. So let's start with our first question, which says find the area of sector of a circle. That means I need to find the area of sector that we have studied earlier in the video. Sector means it is an area joined by the radius of a circle. Okay. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 6 cm. So we are given a circle whose radius OA and OB is 6 cm. And if the angle of sector is 60 degree, what is the angle of the sector? It's 60 degree. Okay. So let's start by writing the formula. What is the area of sector? So area of minor sector is equals to, we studied earlier, theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So for this case, what is our theta? Theta means the angle. What is the angle? It's 60 degree. So you will write over here 60 by 360 times pi. As there is no pi value given in the question, you will substitute 22 by 7 multiply by, it's over here is r square. That means 6 square. So you can write 6 times 6. Okay. So 0, 0 is getting cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. This 6 and this 6 is getting cancelled. So you will get your answer 22 times 6. So 22 times 6 gives you 132 upon what is left in denominator, it's 7. So your answer will be 132 by 7 centimeter square. Easy. This is your first example related to area of minor sector. Let's move on to the next question, which says find the area of quadrant. Now here it is not mentioned sector. It's given over here is quadrant. Now what does a quadrant mean? Quadrant means a part which divides the circle in 4 parts. That means I need to find this sector, which is my 4th part of a circle. Okay, this is my 4th part of the circle. I need to find the area of this quadrant. As you know, the whole angle of a circle forms 360 degree. Okay. So I want to know this theta. As my circle is getting divided into 4 equal parts, I can find out my theta is equal to 360 upon 4. So you will get your answer as 90 degree. That means the angle of this shaded area theta will be equals to 90 degree. Whose circumference is 22 centimeter. What is given over here? Circumference is given. You are not given the area. Circumference is given. We are not even given the r. First of all, we need r to solve our question. But we are not given the r. So our first step will be with the help of circumference. What is our circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. So by substituting this formula 2 pi r, which is equals to 22 centimeter already given. So take out r. What will be your r? 2 times 22 by 7 times r is equal to 22. Okay. Now I need to know this r. What will be the equation? R is equal to 22. Now this 7 is in denominator. It will get into numerator. And this 22 and 2 will also get in your denominator. Okay. This 22 is getting cancelled. So your r is equals to 7 upon 2. So I got my r, which is equals to 7 upon 2. Now I need to find the area of the quadrant. That means I need to find this shaded part. That means area of the sector. So write area of sector. What is its formula? Theta upon 360 times pi r square. What is the theta? We studied earlier that our theta over is in this case is 90 degree. So write 90 by 360 times. As no pi's value given, that means you will substitute 22 by 7 Now, what is our R? Our R is 7. So, you will write 7 upon 2 times 7 upon 2. This 0 getting cancelled. Now, 7 is getting cancelled. 2 ones are and 2 11s are. This 9 ones are, 9 fours are. So, what is your answer? 7 times 11 gives you 77. And 4 times 2 gives you 8. So, your answer is 77 by 8 centimeter square. Is it clear? This is the second example for your area related to circle. Okay. Now, move on to the third question. It's slightly different from the above both of the sums. The length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. That means this is my 14 centimeter. My radius is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Now, I need to find the area of this yellow region. Okay. I need to find the area of this yellow region. How will I do so? First thing, I am not provided with my theta. My theta is not given in this case. So, first I need to find out the theta. So, as we know, the whole area, whole circle's angle will be 360 degree. So, write down 360 degree. Theta is equal to 360 degree upon. The whole clock takes 60 minutes to cover the whole area. So, write down 60 minutes. Now, what time I need to find out the area? I need the time interval of 5 minutes. So, I will substitute my 5 over here. Cancel out this 0 and 0. 6 ones are 6 and 6 6 are 36. So, 6 times 5 gives me 30. So, my theta is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? Again, how did I got this value? 360. The whole angle of a circle is 360 upon the minute in a 1 hour. So, there is 60 minutes in 1 hour. So, I substituted over here 60 times. I need to find out the area theta for 5 minutes. So, I substituted my 5 over here. And I got my theta is equal to 30 degree. Now, as you can see over here, this area will be my minor sector. So, just write down the formula of minor sector. What is your formula? As you have learned, theta upon 360 times pi r square. Okay, what is my theta? My theta is 30 degree. So, write down 30 degree upon 360 times. What is my pi? Pi, there is nothing given over here. That means I will substitute 22 by 7. What is my r? My r is 14. So, I will write 14 multiply by 14. This 0 is getting cancelled. 3 ones are 3 and 3 12s are 36. Okay. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 11s are. Now, what I got? 11 into 14 upon 3. 11 times 14 gives me 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So, my answer is 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay. First, we did a quadrant sum. Then, we did a simple minor sector sum. And last, we did a theta finding sum in which theta was not given. Come on to the next sum, which says the chord of a circle with radius 10 centimeter subtends right angle at the center. That means a chord of a circle. So, draw a chord of a circle. So, I drawn a chord of a circle from the center. This will be my radius. Okay. It subtends 10 centimeter. Okay. So, this is my 10 and this is also my 10. This will be my O, A and B. My chord is AB. My radius is OA and OB, which is 10 centimeter. It subtends right angle. That means in the center, it will form the right angle. Find the corresponding minor segment. First of all, I need to find out this minor segment, this yellow region. I need to find out that. And the second one is major segment. That means I need to find out this purple area. Okay, this purple area is the second question that I need to find out this major segment part. Okay. So, let's come to your yellow part. First of all, I need to find out this yellow part. Okay. So, minor segments formula. As we have studied earlier, minor segment segment is equals to area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. This is the formula which we studied in earlier video. Now, what is my minor sector formula? My formula is theta upon 360 times pi r square minus, what is the formula for right angle triangle? It's half into base into height. Okay. So, what is my theta? As you can see over here, theta is 90 degrees. So, you will write 90 upon 360 minus pi's value, as we have given over here, that use pi is equal to 3.14. So, you will write 3.14 multiply by, what is my r? My r is 10. So, you will write 10 into 10 minus half into. Now, see the triangle. This is my base and this is my altitude. Both of them are same, which is 10 multiplied by 10. Okay. So, cancel this out. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. This 0 and this 0 getting cancelled. 9 1s are 9, 4s are. So, what is the answer you are getting over here? You will get your answer 3.14 multiplied by. Now, in case of this 3.14, you can write it down 100 over here. This 0 is getting cancelled. If I remove this decimal from 3.14, I can write 314 upon 100 and this 0 is getting cancelled with this both 10. So, I will get my answer 314 upon 4 minus 50, which is equals to 78.5 minus 50. Okay, so I get my answer as 28.5 centimeter square. This is my answer for the yellow shaded region, which is my minor segment. Next, we are asked over here is major sector. What we are asked? We are asked over here, I need to find out major sector. What formula did we learn in earlier video? That my major sector will be equal to 360 minus theta. So, write down over here 360 minus theta upon 360 times pi r square. Now, 360 minus theta, that means 360 minus 90 upon 360 multiply by, what is my pi? My pi is 3.14. So, I can write it down as 314 upon 100 into r square. That means 10 multiplied by 10. So, what you will get over here? 360 minus 90. That means you will get 270 upon 360 multiply by 314 upon 100 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. This 0 and this 0 getting cancelled. This 0 and this 0 getting cancelled. 0, 0 cancel. Now you can take 9's table. In 9's table, this 9. Okay, you can take 3's table. You can take 9's table. Cancel this out. This is 9 4s are. This is 9 3s are. And finally, you will get your answer. 3 times 3, 14 upon 4. So, you will get your answer as 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4, 3 3s are 9. 942 upon 4. That means you will get your answer 235.5 centimeter square. Okay, you will get your final answer as 235.5 centimeter square. This is the area of your purple region. Okay. In this question, we learned two topics, which is minor segment and major sector. Okay. Move on to the next one, which says, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Okay. So, we are given over here that our radius is 21 centimeter. So, my first radius, this is my second radius. Its value is 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree. That means my theta is equals to 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. That means I need to find out this value. Find out the value of this arc. Okay. So, how can we find out? So, first, as we learned, length of arc. That means what was the formula? Length of arc is equal to pi r theta upon 180. Is anything given over here to use for pi? No. That means you will use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. What is your r? Your r is 21. What is your theta? Your theta is 60 degree upon 180 degrees. This 0 and this 0 getting cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. This 6 and this 6 is getting cancelled. So what you are got left out with? So you are getting only 22. So write down over here 22 centimeter. Okay, this is your answer for length of the arc. Now second question, what is your question asked over here? Area of sector formed by the arc. That means you are asked just for the minor sector. This purple shaded area, find out this purple shaded area, which is the formula for minor sector. Write down the formula. What's the formula for minor sector? So minor sector is equal to, first of all, what is your theta? Write down the formula theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. That means what is my pi? Pi is 22 by 7. What is your theta? So theta is 60 degrees. So write down 60 upon 360 multiplied by, what is my pi? Pi will be 22 upon 7. What is my r? My r is 21. 21 multiplied by 21. This 0 and this 0 getting cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. And 2 into 11 gives me 22. So you are left out with your answer 11 into 21, which gives you your answer 231 centimeter square. This is the area of minor sector. Now what is the third question? Your third point is you need to find the area of segment formed by the corresponding arc. Okay. Now this is my chord and I need to find out the green area. This green area. I need to find out the area of minor segment. Now as we know the formula, minor segment is equals to minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. AOB. Okay. What is my minor sector? Minor sector is, which I already got. What is my answer for minor sector? Minor sector is 231 minus area of triangle AOB. What is my triangle AOB's area? It is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means you will write down the formula √3 upon 4 into a square, which we already studied in the earlier video. Now 231 minus under √3 upon 4 times, what is my A? A is my side. That means 21 multiplied by 21. Okay. So what will be the answer? 231 minus √3 upon 4 multiplied by 21 times 21 gives me 441. Now you should know that 231 is my natural number and √3 is my irrational number. So I will not multiply this. I will finally get my answer as 231 minus 441 under √3 by 4 centimeter square. This is my final answer for the question asked. Okay. Move on to the next question, which is the last question of this video. A chord of a circle with radius 15 centimeter. Now for this case, we are given the chord of a circle. That means I have my chord AB and my radius is 15 centimeter. What is my radius? My radius is 15 centimeter. Angle subtended is 60 degree. That means this is my 60 degree. That means it is also my equilateral triangle. Okay, as soon as you see your angle 60 degree as your theta, consider that triangle as your equilateral triangle. Find the area of corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. What you need to find out? First of all, you need to find out the minor segment, and then you need to find out your this major segment's area. Okay, this major segment. So first start with our minor segment. Okay, this green portion, this which I have showed earlier, green portion, I need to find out this area. How you will do so? First of all, you need minor segment. Okay, so minor segment is equal to minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, so for minor sector, what is my formula? Theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square minus area of triangle. As I have said earlier, whenever you see theta as 60, it will be your equilateral triangle. That means root 3 by 4 into a square. What is your a? A is your side square. Okay. So, for my this case, what is my theta? My theta is 60 upon 360 multiplied by pi. As I have given the value of pi as 3.14. So, I will substitute 314 upon 100 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 minus root 3. Now, as I am given over here, my root 3 value is 1.73. So, I will substitute my root 3 as 1.73 multiplied by 15 upon 4. Okay. So, this 0 getting cancelled. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. 2 stable. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. And 2 7s are 14. So, you will get 157. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So, whenever you will multiply 157 into 5 into 15 upon 100, you will get your answer as 117.75 minus. Now, as you can see, 1.73 multiplied by 15 upon 4. So, 15 times 15 is 225 and 225 multiplied by 173 divided by 4 will give you 97.312. Now, subtract this 117 minus 97. You will get your answer as 20.437 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer for your minor segment. The other thing you are asked is your major segment. What you are asked for? You are asked for major segment. Now, this is first time we are asked for major segment. What was the formula for major segment? Major segment means this whole area. So, area of circle minus minor segment. Okay, this was your formula. Area of circle minus minor segment. What is my area of circle's formula? Pi r square minus what is my minor segment's answer? It's 20.437. Okay, so for pi you will write down 314 upon 100 multiply by 15 minus 20.437. Now 15 times 15 is 225 and 225 multiplied by 314 divided by 100. You will get your answer as 706.50 minus 20.437. What will be your answer? Minus this out, subtract this out, you will get your answer as 686.06 centimeter square. Okay, this will be your answer for major segment. Hope you understand all the illustrations related to area, related to circle, And this all were of different matter. First we saw minor sector alone, then we saw a quadrant sum, then we saw a sum for finding out our theta, then we saw one right angle based triangle, then we saw equilateral based triangles, formula, segments, major segment. I hope you understand all the topics, and for the future knowledge you can join again. Thank you so much.